Malacanang Department of Health issued an advisory to the public to be wary of fake stem cell treatments. Angel Cordova has the story.
The Department of Health is set to issue an administrative order on stem cell treatment in the country. The palace announced the drafting of the order following several reports of fake stem cell treatments. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valdez stresses only hospitals and not individuals are given DOH accreditation for the treatment.
Ang ina-accredit po ng DOH ay mga ospital para po dun sa mga ganitong treatment. And come August 31, kailangan na po mag-file ng mga ospital nung kanilang accreditation requirements for them to continue to offer this treatment kung sakaling meron na po sila. So may accreditation process po yan. Ulitin po natin, yung ospital po yung ina-accredit, hindi po yung doktor, hindi po individual. Yung mga stand-alone clinic po, hindi po yan pwedeng magpa-accredit sa DOH. So yun po yung isang warning natin doon sa ating mga kababayan.
The palace warns the public of fake stem cell treatments.
Isa pa pong interesting point mula po sa DOH, yung stem cell treatment daw po is geared for a certain purpose. Yung mga sinasabi pong mga cure-all ay peke po yun. Wala pong ganun that will cure all of your ills.
The palace reiterated the guidelines issued by the DOH to avoid abuses and dubious practices.
Meron po tayo ng prohibited, yung galing po sa embryo at saka mga plant products. Meron po tayo ng restricted, galing po yan sa humans pero nagkakaroon ng genetic manipulation. At kailangan po, yung mga produktong meron po niyan, kailangan po yan ng clearance mula po sa FDA. At yung mga allowed naman po, yung stem cells na galing sa humans, from the individual himself who is to be treated, the patient, or from donors.
The executive branch also encourages the public to report violators.
Pag meron ho kayong mga nakitang tingin nyo yung lumalabag, i-report po natin sa DOH kasi pwede po silang ipasara or pwede pong masuspinde yung lisensya ng any medical practitioner na nag-e-engage doon sa mga pinapagbawal po ng Department of Health pagdating po dito sa stem cell treatment.
This is Angel Cordova for News at 1, Junior Edition.